Hi, it's Kathy from Little Fingers and Toes. I have a tip for you about looking after your silver jewellery. Um, so this is a really easy and free way of cleaning and removing any kind of like tarnish from your silver. This my mum and dad got for me. It's a dog tag with my name and home address on because I used to run away all the time. I did enjoy my upbringing, but yeah, I very independent, so I used to walk off all the time, and so my parents had this made for me. So you can see it has really discoloured, and it's really bad. I don't know if you can quite get how tarnished that is, and that can be from silver doesn't like perfume, it doesn't like suntan cream, it doesn't like jacuzzi, it doesn't like chemicals. If you've got, you can have a lot of acid in your skin, which can make silver tarnish quicker. So if you look after it, it should last a lifetime. So I'm going to show you a really easy way of cleaning it, and it's just phenomenal. You don't have to take it to a really expensive jeweller's to do for you. So I'm going to flip you around, and then I'm going to run through what I've got in front of me here. So what I have is I've got some salt, table salt. I've got a little dish with some aluminium foil, and I've also got in there some boiling water straight out the kettle, but it has been cooling now for a couple of minutes. So yeah, you don't want it really hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little wodge of just normal table salt into the hot water and just give it a good stir, and the salt should, yeah, you can see it's starting to dissipate. So when that starts to happen, when you can't see that many of the granules left, put your jewellery in. Make sure it's all submerged. Make sure it's all in the water. And you should start to see all the dirt lifting off. It can take, it depends how bad the dirt is. This one's really bad, so it might take a good few hours for it to come off, or I might need to put some more salt in to help it along. Or some more hot water. But if your jewellery is just kind of a low level of a slight tarnish, then almost immediately that you put it into this little bath, you'll see it come off. So I've left my necklace in this little bath now for a day, so about 24 hours. It's really cleaned up. It doesn't actually look that clean at the moment, but look at the water. Oh, it's really dirty. So yeah, it's got a bit of a film on it currently, but it's so much cleaner. And I think I could probably get it even cleaner, to be honest. So I'm going to go and give it a bit of a scrub, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Look at how well that's come up. That's unbelievable. That's crazy, isn't it? How clean that is now. Oh, that looks great. You can even read it.